DIMIFUN assembly tutorial. We unpacked and checked all the accessories for the next step of assembly. Neat arrangement speeds up assembly. Aluminum plate, basswood, open end wrench. Screw mounting bag. For easy distinction, it is divided into 5 steps. Card reader and TF card. Fix the focus block to instruction manuals. Protective sheet and craft paper. Goggles. Remove the snail bag from step 1. Use a T-wrench for assembling frame on both sides. Slide the cantilever into the frame. Fix the wide section and frame with the 2 screws from step 2. Use the screws from step 3 to install the legs at the 4 corners. Card reader and TF card. Antenna connected to Wi-Fi. Insert the belt from step 4 along the narrow rails. Please thread the belt through the flat hole to facilitate pulling and tightening the belt. It's really important to lock the belt. Adjust the Z-axis button to the lowest position. Install the laser module from the back of the bracket. Y-axis limit switch. Y-axis motor. X-axis limit switch. X-axis motor. Laser power cord. Tie the cable ties to the X and Y axis. If you really can't find a place, you can read the manual or consult us. Be sure to check the tightness of the belt. Cut off the excess tie to make it more beautiful.